Pasta with mushrooms and sausages is pure comfort food. Creamy, easy to prepare, one-dish weekend night meal. The whole family will enjoy it. Dice one medium red onion finely. Take 300 grams of mushrooms, cut into thin slices. I use Champignon mushrooms because they have a mild taste and firm texture, and they're easy to cook. Chop 2 tomatoes. Chop 3 garlic cloves. Slice sausages. I use smoked German sausages. They are juicy and delicious and often flavored with different herbs and spices. Chop a small cup of fresh parsley. Grate 200 grams of cheddar cheese. In a large skillet over high heat, fry onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Add mushrooms. Cook around 7 minutes. Next, add garlic and sausages. Fry for 5 minutes until starting to brown. Add tomatoes, stirring occasionally. Add 400 grams of pasta. I use colored seashells type with natural pigments such as tomato extract, squid ink, and spinach extract. Add 150 milliliters of heavy cream and mix. Add 400 milliliters of chicken broth. Cover with lid and cook for 20 minutes. Don't forget to season with salt, black pepper, and oregano. cheese on the top and cook 3 more minutes. Mix before serving. Spoon into bowls and eat with the extra cheddar shavings and parsley on top. Enjoy your pasta with mushrooms and sausages. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.